let's evaluate 10C4 plus 10C5. Now given, now let's write this as 10C5 plus 10C4. Now why I have written like this? Because we are going to using property. The property was NCR plus NCR minus 1 is N plus 1 CR. So instead of wasting the time twice, first of all to solve this one, then to solve this one, we can directly go for the property. Now 10C5 plus 10C4, this becomes now 10 plus 1C5. 11C5, that is now 11 factorial upon 5 factorial times 6 factorial. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 factorial upon 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times 6 factorial. Okay. Now this and this cancels. Now 5, 2 and 10, 4 with 2, 3 and 3. So we are left with 66 times 7, that is 462. Hence 10C4 plus 10C5 is equal to 462 answer.